Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyut Vahanam. Today it's raining outside here, so it would be a great day to check how the electric vehicles will perform in the rain. There are a lot of misconceptions regarding electric vehicles. One among them is these vehicles will get damaged when we drive in the rain, and can we charge in the electric vehicles in the rain? So let's burst all these myths in this video. We are experiencing moderate rainfall over here. I'm looking for a water flooded area, so I came to this place. You can see the water is of good level and the vehicles are moving away from the water. So let's get into this waterlogged space, and you can see my vehicle is totally immersed in the water, and I'm still able to navigate through this waterlogged space very easily. For ice vehicles there is a tailpipe, so water will enter into this tailpipe easily and it will enter into the bike and it will damage the bike. But it's not the case in electric vehicles. Electric vehicles doesn't have a tailpipe, so water cannot enter into the vehicle at any cost. And the battery that is used in Ather 450X is IP67 rated. That means it is completely sealed from water and dust. As you can see, I am easily navigating through this waterlogged area and there's no problem at all. And most of the electric vehicles which are sold are IP67 rating, so it's not a problem when you enter into this waterlogged areas. Now let us check whether the dashboard is functioning properly or not, as it got exposed to rainwater. Let us check how the touch is performing, and you can see the touch is working very effectively. There's no problem at all. This dashboard is IP56 rated, as we have mentioned in our Ather washing video. You can check it out over here. So you don't have any worries when you expose your Ather to the rain. There's no problem at all because it's totally sealed from water. From here, let's move towards nearby charging station, and there let's test our Ather 450X whether we can charge it in the rain or not. The nearby charging station is almost 3 kilometers, so till then let's enjoy driving in the rain. Finally, we have reached this charging station, and thank God it's totally free now. There's no one who's charging the vehicle currently, so I can just go and plug it to my Ather 450X. So this is a charging port. You can see that the gun I'm holding in my hand, it is totally weatherproof. Moreover, if you touch the gun, you won't get a shock because the electricity is not yet flowing through the tube. The electricity will only flow if we connect this to the vehicle, and the circuit should be completed. Only then the electricity will flow through the tube. Now you can see the initialization has begun and it will be show charging. Yes, it's charging right now. Even though it is raining, you don't have to worry about the electric shock and you can charge your vehicle happily. Experience of driving Ather 450X in the rain was awesome. There was no problem with the vehicle at all. So don't fear if you want to drive your vehicle in the rain. So that's it from today's video. Thanks for watching. This is Avinash signing off.